Hi, we are Group 13, and we have used the tool Insomnia.
Insomnia is an open-source cross-platform API client for REST, WebSockets, and any other HTTP-compatible protocol. Its main characteristics lie in its intuitive user interface, designing new APIs with ease, debugging APIs efficiently, and automating API testing. Insomnia primarily operates as a black box testing tool. Its focus revolves around assessing the functionality of APIs without delving into the internal structures or code base. Insomnia's development and maintenance follow an open source model, inviting contributions from a diverse global community of developers. Its collaborative approach ensures frequent updates, bug fixes, and feature enhancement. Being an open source tool, Insomnia thrives on community contributions. Its contribution frequency is commendable, about 300 commits per month, with a consistent stream of updates and improvements driven by the active involvement of developers worldwide. Insomnia supports the design and execution stages the most. During the design phases of API testing, Insomnia's user-friendly interface simplifies the creation and structuring of test scenarios and cases and empowers testers to intricately design and refine test cases. During the execution phase, its ability to capture responses and handle various authentication methods facilitated the execution of test scenarios, allowing for immediate validation and verification of API behavior. Insomnia is related to reliability, maintainability, and functional suitability quality attributes. Insomnia is used for measuring and improving the external quality of the site. By using Insomnia, we can do validation and verification. Insomnia strongly aligns with the concept of specification-based testing. Testers design test cases within Insomnia and assess the API solely based on its external behavior and specifications without knowledge of its internal workings. Insomnia also plays a crucial role in the context of regression testing and continuous integration. CLI for Insomnia allow you to create comprehensive test suites, which can be automated for regression testing and integrated into the CI/CD process, allowing for the automatic execution of API tests whenever code changes are made.
We have chosen JSON as our system on the test. It's a tool designed for generating mock JSON data for testing purposes. It supports various data types, such as strings, numbers, bullets, dates, arrays, and objects. It allows developers to create placeholder data for front-end websites or applications without maintaining any server-side code or database schemas. Additionally, it offers an authentication mechanism, making it closely resemble real-world production scenarios, which is particularly beneficial for developers needing to simulate API responses. To test the system, we used Insomnia to create a document, which serves as a comprehensive project. The first module is specification. Here, one can write a document that adheres to the OpenAPI standards. This section allows developers to design APIs by describing parameter types, status codes, and more. The second module is API collections, housing all the API requests within the project. If documentation is provided, corresponding API requests can be generated directly. When sending requests, Insomnia allows developers to set different environments, enabling the reuse of parameters for various developmental scenarios. Additionally, Insomnia permits training requests. In practical development, requests often require an authentication token. For such scenarios, one can initiate a login request to obtain a token, subsequently using this token as a parameter for other requests. After sending a request, Insomnia displays a response on the right and stores a history of requests for easy reference. Moreover, Insomnia can generate code for over 12 programming languages, allowing developers to directly integrate this code into their projects. The third module is test. Here, users can organize multiple tests under test suites and execute them collectively. Users can manually write JavaScript code to craft test cases. Designing APIs, Insomnia offers a plugin community where numerous plugins simplify the testing process. After setting up test cases, Insomnia can also export the data and run them in a continuous integration setting, making it compatible with platforms like GitHub Actions for automation. In summary, this tool is ideal for designing APIs and conducting black box tests to confirm they meet requirements. It needs back-end code to provide accurate API services and can generate code in multiple languages for request handling. It also integrates well with CI workflows to automate tests for reliability, maintainability, and functionality.
Let's delve into the experience of using Insomnia, which has been positive. Navigating through Insomnia is a breeze. It's not only intuitive, but also visually appealing. And if you're just getting started, fear not. We found excellent beginners tutorials to guide you through the initial steps. And moreover, the tool's interface and features have been meticulously crafted, giving it a cutting-edge feel. We also found that there is a beta version providing AI-generated tests. Since this required a payment plan, we're left wondering how well it actually works. Now, delving into the strengths of Insomnia, the user-friendly interface caters to both beginners and seasoned developers. Code generation is a blessing as well, allowing easy export of requests as code snippets. Environments and variables support adds flexibility for managing configurations across different testing environments. However, no tool is flawless. Insomnia tends to favor REST APIs, potentially limiting support for non-HTTP protocols. Some advanced features are part of the premium package, limiting access to free plan users. And additionally, the smaller community compared to, for instance, Postman, may result in less documentation related to the platform. Now, let's tie this back to our course content. The practical application of test automation becomes evident as we explore Insomnia. With features like scripting and assertions, creating and executing automated tests becomes not just a concept, but a hands-on experience. Working with Insomnia provides valuable insights into implementing test automation strategies as well.
To conclude, our three main takeaways was the efficiency in API testing, and Insomnia greatly simplifies the process of designing, executing, and automating API testing. Learning curve and flexibility. While Insomnia is user-friendly for beginners, it also offers advanced features like scripting and data-driven testing, catering to more experienced user. The open source nature of Insomnia, supported by a global community, ensures continuous improvement and introduces us to the collaborative aspect of software development. And 2 pieces of advice from us would be to start small, begin with basic features, and gradually explore more complex functionalities. And also to leverage community resources to take advantage of the active community for support, updates, and learning.